ClickOnCare.com.
Today I'm going to present Episoft AC. It is designed to manage dryness in the acne prone skin. It is lightweight, non-oily, non-greasy and easily washable. It is fragrance free, paraben free as well. Now I'll tell you how you will use the cream. Apply uniformly over facial area, avoiding contact with eyes. Use at least 15 minutes before the sun exposure and as often as you need. It is recommended to use it daily after washing and after bath. This cream contains 75 grams and it is marketed by Glenmark.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and